I'm going to show you today how to do a simple workflow of 10 emails for the top 10 affiliate secrets. If you want the whole funnel, you can click the link below and get Builderall, and I will send it you for free. But if you want to learn how to do it, stay posted. So all you do is, I've got 10 emails and I've waited one day in between them. So this one's already made and it's up and running. But if you want to do workflow from scratch, how do you do it? First of all, you need, I'm in Mailing Boss, and you have to have a list. So first of all, you name the list top 10 affiliate secrets. Which I've done here, but I'm going to show you how to do a brand new one. So I'm going to go top 10 test, and I want a double opt-in because they're always better quality emails. An opt-out, single, doesn't matter. Description, top 10 test. Okay, so now we can distinguish between the new one and the old one. All you have to do is put your from email in here, which is this one, info at, save it, save is your friend, update all the emails. Now we want to go to forms and we want to put the name at the top and the email. But for the purpose of this one, I've put what's your first name? Because if you're talking to them, it's friendlier. And then tell me your best email. Tell me your best email. Okay, save. That bit's done. Okay, so we can close that. I've already made the landing page, so I'm just going to concentrate on the workflow for the moment. So now we're going to do a workflow from scratch. I'll do the landing page on another video. But this is dead easy, guys. Watch and learn. So we're going to create a new workflow, and we're going to call it top 10 test in a minute. But we've got to make them subscribe at. So we're subscribing them at the top 10 test list. See what I mean? And it's any form. Now we can actually put the top 10 test here and then join the workflow. Then once they've joined the workflow, we're going to send a campaign. Now you can either press the plus button if you haven't already written it, but for the purpose of this one, I've already made them. So it's the top 10 affiliate secrets. That's the introduction. So as soon as they subscribe to your lead magnet or your landing page, they will get that email. Then 10 minutes later, you want to send email 1. So you've got 10 minutes later. And then you put the case number 1. So the green ones is add a campaign. And it's called send a campaign. So we want campaign 1. Case of the Builderall Diva. Okay. Save. So you just keep saving. This is so simple and easy, guys. So every day, so you go to the yellow one, wait a day, wait 1 day, and Bob's your uncle and Sally's your auntie. Wait 1 day and send the next campaign. They're called campaigns rather than broadcasts because they're on a workflow. So this is really, really easy, guys. So I'm going to go case 2, save, and that's all there is to it, guys. If you want the free funnel, join Builderall today and I can send it you in 1 click. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.